I poured some salt down on the floor, turned it on, headlight comes on, and as you can see, first time through, sucked everything right up. Are you tired of lugging around that heavy vacuum? The Homeika Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is for you. It's compact, it's lightweight, easy to use, it's adjustable, longer, shorter here. Once again, it's cordless, battery pack here, and it's 2-speed. Pull the trigger once for low, twice for high, and as you can see right there, it even tells you the battery percentage that you're at. It's easy to unhook and hook up different pieces to it. You have this that comes with it, as well as here for those tighter spaces. I really like the fact that it comes with a hanger, so you can actually hang this on the wall and simply plug it in. And that's pretty much it. Comes with your user manual as well. And as you can see from the beginning, I tested it out and it has powerful suction. And I mean, you simply push this button to empty the trap. You also have another filter right here that's easy to access. And the battery lasts quite a while. And overall, I've just been really happy with it.